There you go, the herbs baked spinach chicken, which only requires 5 ingredients. Give it a try. So now let's prepare the chicken. Firstly, we need to cut it. Okay, so if you want it to be bigger, then you can tenderize it, use a tenderizer, knock it down so that it looks bigger, but then if not, it should be just fine like this. Any herbs cheese like this, just like that, simple. Okay, so just like that, and we are going to put in the spinach. So it's a very healthy dish. Okay, so then you just need to cover it up. Ooh. And here you go, I have the pasta sauce, alright? So you can buy it from the bottle. Just need to pour it over, just like that. Make sure it's all fully covered up. And what you can do is just give it a good shake. And last but not least, just sprinkle some lovely mozzarella cheese over it. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to put it into the prime freeze. So I'm going to set it to the quick cooling function for 15 minutes. Right, so let's preheat the oven using the convection function at 160 degrees Celsius and press start. Okay, so this is out from the prime freeze. I'm going to put this into the QB oven. Okay. So I'm going to set it to 25 minutes. Okay, our chicken is ready. Let's take it out. Wow, just look at how lovely it is. Right, so now to plate it out, I have rice here with a little bit of salad there, and just look at the steam that is coming out from the chicken. Super healthy dish, lovely for lunch or dinner.
Panasonic.